What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the newer, as I've been sick and haven't been up to date, but the newer their newer metallic palettes. They have two. I have one of them, as well as their little shimmery pot eyeshadow. So I'm going to be reviewing both of these today. So if you want to see how I got this look with these colors, stay tuned. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, don't mind the half done face. I know I look a little kooky, but yeah, we're gonna finish it all up here in a moment. Anyway, first things first, what's up? My name is Jen. If you're new to my channel, thank you for joining me, and if you are a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? How you been? Glad you made it back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you know when I'm posting. And yeah, let's jump into this. Today we're reviewing the Sunset Prism Eyeshadow Palette, which is the new shimmers. They have two palettes like this. I went with the more neutrals. I have swatched them myself. And along with that, they have these other cute little eyeshadows. These are long-lasting, lustrous eyeshadows. And they have, I believe, between 4 and 5 colors. I got this one because I want to use it as a topper to this shimmer palette because I really want to see how it is. If you look, let's go in. My pinky here. It's kind of cool because when you touch it, it's kind of spongy. It's different. But and this one, see how it's leaving imprints? You see? Anyway, so this one's kind of like a cleary, neutral, shimmery glitter. So we're gonna pop this on top. Anywho, so let's jump into this. I've already started my eyes. I will list all the info below as always, and let's do the do. Alright, so I'm gonna hit this with some water, my brush. What brush are we gonna use? Let's roll with this Kylie, just synthetic flat kind of brush. And I think we're gonna go in with oh, actually, you know what, as a base, let's do this. Normally you would normally do it for a cut crease, you would use concealer. I like using the e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Sticks, either in this like creamy opalesque shade, or I also have a pinky champagne-y shade. So we're going with this nudie creamy shade first, and we're gonna pop this on the lid. Just gives it a little more shimmer because I noticed these shimmer shadows aren't as shiny as I'd like them to be. I will also at the end of this video include a picture of swatches, so make sure you check that out at the end. So let's do this. So I'm just cutting the crease with this shadow stick. Like I said, it gives it that extra something. And this is blendable, this stick, so let's blend her out with this. As you see, it just gives it a nice base for a cut crease. Okay. Now we're gonna pop on, if you're going to look at this shade, this palette, I'm sorry, we're gonna go with the second one in on the lid. I'm gonna dip into this and then I'm gonna hit it with some water. I'm gonna pop it on top. Nice. Not too bad, but as I said, this palette in itself, it's not as blinding as I'd like it to be, which is why I had to pull out the tricks. Because it's just not that blinding. It's alright. It's alright. Okay, so we're gonna pop this on top as well. Alright, real quick. I'm gonna clean up the edges real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. Now we're gonna pop this little bitty eyeshadow on it. It's the long-lasting Lustrous Eyeshadow. I'm gonna pop a little bit of this on top. I'm gonna use just a little flat brush. It's a Kylie brush as well. And just pop it in there, get a little on the brush, and pop it on top. Just to see, give her a whirl on top. Very pretty. Very pretty. Alright, I really like this shadow. I'm definitely going to pick up some more in this family, you know, more like this, the other colors in this family of colors, or of shadows. They're really pretty. Just a touch more here. Alright, so as far as these eyeshadows go, and especially this, I'm gonna give them 2 thumbs up. Well, at least with this one. This one I'm gonna say 1 up, 1 down. They work, but they're a little too, they're just not shiny enough for me, in my opinion. If I didn't do that, e.l.f. stick to help it along, it wouldn't have worked out so well. I will be back with the final look, but in my eyes, I'm not really feeling these shimmer palette but I do really like the single shadow. So I'll be back. Smooches. Alright, so this is the finished look. It was fun. Yeah, so make sure, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and make sure you give it a big thumbs up. So yeah, yeah, I love it. Until the next one, guys, I hope you come back. I really appreciate you spending your time with me 2 or 3 days a week. I love you guys. I feel like I have one of the best families here on YouTube. So thank you so much for your time and your support. And I love you guys. Until the next one, Smooches. Bye.